Firelog pose can be a very intense hip opener, but with the right props, it can assist the body in letting go, relaxing the nervous system, and increasing hip flexibility. To set up this pose, start by taking one of the shins parallel to the top of the mat and flexing the foot so the pinky edge is pressing into the ground. Stack the other ankle on top of the knee, not the foot, but the ankle. Make sure it gets all the way up there. Now, if there's space between the knee and the ankle, fold up a blanket and slide it between the two shins, all the way up to where it supports underneath that ankle. Fold up the end of the blanket if you have a little bit more space to cover. From here, pull the flesh out from underneath of the sit bones, sit tall and lengthen the spine before folding forward. Be sure to release the head. Now, as you're in this pose longer, you might be able to remove some of the props to fold even more deeply into the pose. If you'd like to evolve the pose, slowly roll up to sitting tall, and then turn towards that top foot and fold at an angle. You'll feel a different stretch in the outer hip that you're facing away from. And you can also switch to face towards that knee, feeling a different stretch in the hip and side waist. To add an even deeper twist, tuck the elbow into the arch of that foot on top and palms pressed together, twisting the torso. Now let's see a little bit more added support. Tucking the big bolster underneath of the belly and blocks in front of you to support the forehead. Having the head rest on a block helps everything relax just a little bit more. And breathe. Great work.